Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how I get this cheetah print, this bomb cheetah print, not just any cheetah print. If you want to learn how I do it, keep on watching. So first I'm going to go in and paint my French, and I'm using the white from Dynamic Nail Supply. And this is literally the white that you can go over one time and be done. So I love this. This is my favorite brand. So after I finish my French, I'm going to put it in the UV lamp for 30 seconds. I don't like to over cure it because I need it super tacky so that my neon pigments can stick to it like butter. Now that my French is cured, I'm going to go in with the neon pigments. And first, I always start off by the most pigmented color, which would be the darkest colors. First, I'm going to do blue. Then I'm going to go in with the purple. And then I'm going to go in with the pink. And then at the end, you'll see me slowly go over them all and kind of like try to blend them out. It is kind of hard because we're working with pigments. And once you put it down on that white, it's stuck. The key is really to blend. Blend the pink into the purple, blend the pink into the green, blend it. Go over it, overlay it, overpack it. That's really the key. See right here, you'll see me going over again with the same colors, but I'm gonna go over each color again just to kind of blend it out. It kind of gives it like a blur effect, so it's not just harsh colors next to each other. Like, do you see how smooth that is? Do you see it? Now I'm going to go on with the cheetah effect, and you can kind of just eyeball this. Like, I just kind of eyeball it. I just kind of move to where I think I should move to. I don't leave any gaps, really. This is kind of just an eyeball thing. Like, you'll know where to put it. And the cheetah design is not really hard. You just use your dotting tool. And I can't really explain it. Like, you just dot it. You literally just dot it. You drag it. You curve it. You kind of just like free ball it. Free ball it. This is probably one of the easier designs, but my favorite design. In the spots where I felt like I couldn't fit any cheetah designs, I would just put like a dot. So it kind of like fills it out. And I just knew I had to record this video. I knew you guys have been waiting for me to upload, and I haven't really been uploading. But y'all, I'm trying to get the hang of it. It's really hard for me to do voiceovers and just editing. Not knowing what to say is just really hard. But I'm getting it down. So this is the final cheetah print design, and now I'm going to go in at the top with like charms and stuff. I have to be a little bit extra. Right here, I'm using the McCart rhinestone glue. I love it. Everything sticks to it. It holds. It has a good hold. My favorite. Yes, you see me picking up rhinestones with my bare hands. I guess I have superpowers. What can I say? It doesn't matter what nail I'm doing. Oh, it has to have some charms. So you know I had to add the charms. It just tops the look off. Everything looks so good. The colors are so perfect. And yeah, I loved it. I hope you guys end up loving it too. And if you do this design, please tag me or at least show me. I would love to see it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. And if you have any ideas or anything that you would want me to do, please drop it in the comments below and I'll try to get it done. Thank you guys for watching again. Bye.